National nature of terrorism and violent extremism underscores the vital importance of multilateral cooperation to detect, identify and disrupt violent extremism and to bring terrorists to justice.
A true fight against the causes of terrorism is made from tolerance, respect, love for humanity regardless to our differences.
We have the means and resolve to win this fight, and our people demand we take the urgent steps that are required for that victory. The victory that will exemplify the goodness of humanity. Kenya will stand alongside all of you in this mission.